What's up, you guys? I'm Broderick. This is Self-Care with Brad, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to shave without getting razor bumps. That's key. First thing you want to do when you're shaving, you want to get a hot towel. It doesn't have to be super hot, but just steamy enough. Help the hair follicles kind of lessen a little bit. For the sake of the video, I'm going to show you guys how to use a straight razor. The key to this is you want to angle your razor at a 35-degree angle. On the side of my cheeks, I'm really just going to focus on going downward. Go down one level, then you go down the second level, and then you go down to the third level. You get to your chin into your neck. A lot of guys have a problem with cutting their hair upward. So when I go down to my chin, down to my neck, I always cut downward. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get a hot towel and get all that gunk off your face. Take your time during the shaving process. Make sure your skin is laying flat, so make sure you use your index or your ring finger to stretch your skin as you're shaving. You do that, you're gonna get an aftershave on. SkinCeuticals UV Defense Sunscreen. Just gonna moisturize. Oats Simple Water Cream. I've talked about it many times, one of my favorites. And I'm just gonna slap that on and good to go.